Good morning, besties. Okay, it's 6:16 now. I have class at 7, I have class at 9, I have class at 11, I have class at 12. So I'm gonna take you guys through my morning. So probably until like 11 and show you guys that kind of whole thing, or maybe a little bit sooner. It just kind of depends. I got pretty good sleep, I'd say. Wasn't the best, but it wasn't bad. But let's get started with our day. I always put my Apple Watch on like the first 2 minutes I wake up. That's just like a routine for me. So Apple Watch is on. Drinking water. So my favorite water bottle, I'll link it down below for you guys. Take a shot. Okay, I'm gonna do my devotional. This is like this devotional. It's called In the Light of His Glory. And then I'm just gonna journal a little this morning. I like doing that like right when I wake up. I feel like it just sets the mood for the day. So I have like these pens. I really like them. Alright, it's now 6:20ish, so let's get up and do the thing. Also, did you like my little stuffed animal? I got this at Disney back like the last time I went, which I think was December 2020. And me and my cousin got matching ones, and they're amazing because they're like flat at the bottom. So cuddling them, oh my gosh, I get the perfect sleep with this baby. Like, obsessed with Pooh Bear. But my cousin's is named Dolce and mine's Gabbana, so we love a little Gabbana moment. Feelings. It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep. Okay, let me put y'all on to Bloomify. I've used this for like a year, and basically it makes your eyes like white, like brighter, and it only takes like 1 minute to kick in, and it typically lasts for me like 6 hours because I wear contacts and my eyes get really red and like irritated throughout the day. This is life-changing. I'll link it down below for you guys to order if you guys are interested. Okay, also an updated morning skincare routine. I'm gonna do that for you guys. So the first thing I do is the Paula's Choice C15 like boost serum thing. Well, the first thing I do is use the CeraVe, but this is second. And then I just pat this into my skin. Then I use a pump of my favorite serum. I love this stuff by Glow Recipe. I also just pat this in. Okay, so this is my favorite moisturizer. I use it day and night. At nighttime, I obviously use a lot more, but I just use a little bit during the daytime because I have oily skin. I need to get more ASAP, but I just use like that much during the day, not a crazy amount. But it does cover my whole face. And then I take my gua sha and I just do a few like little techniques on my jawline in the morning. Everything is also linked down below as always. Check the description box for all these products. I'm gonna use this Drunk Elephant like Shaba Eye Complex Serum. Last 2 steps, I use this Alginus serum like for your lips. I love it. And then my Tatcha sunscreen. Okay, now I'm gonna put my contacts in. I feel like this lighting does not make me look good, but like regular lighting, eye lighting, I look good. Okay, we have our skincare on and we're feeling ready and pumped for the day. So let's go get changed. I think I want to wear leggings today. So I want to wear dark leggings. This is a hard decision. Just kidding, I'm definitely just gonna wear sweatpants today. Okay, I just want to be super cozy and comfy right now, so I'm just gonna wear sweatpants, a bralette, and then just like a little cropped hoodie on top of it. So let's change. Okay, well, nice and simple outfit for the morning time. Okay, now that I'm changed, I like to put deodorant on. I do it after I change, so nothing like gets on my clothes. I don't know. I found that best for me. So I'm just gonna use this deodorant. I love this deodorant so much. It's like literally 0% aluminum, so it's not bad for your pits, and it smells really good, and I like how it says
like a roll-on. I don't really like sprays because I feel like I don't know if they're like on or not, and I feel like they just like make my armpits wet. So I like this one a lot. I've been using it for like I think a year almost. I really like it. Y'all, I also take a ton of supplements because I have body problems and like health problems right now. Not like anything super severe, but I'm currently going through it. So I am going to take all my supplements for you guys, so you guys really understand how many I take to be able to stay healthy. So I'm going to take 2 of all of these, Juice Plus, because it's just whole food nutrition. I'm going to take an allergy pill. I'm going to take SPM Active. I'm also going to take a Phyto Multi and then also take 2 B12s. And then I'm going to do my like little morning chlorophyll thing, which I'll show you guys in like 2 seconds after I take all of these.
A few moments later.
Okay, literally 9 minutes until class, but this is day 2 of trying liquid chlorophyll. I've been seeing this go around and I read up on the benefits and it's so good for you, but little kicker. I had it yesterday, literally could not finish it because I had it in a whole bottle of water and I had to sip on it. So I think that if I have just a tiny bit of water and all the drops in it and I just take it quickly, even though it's not diluted and it's a stronger like concentrate of it at once, it's better because I get it all done in like one swig and I don't have to sip on it. You see what I'm saying? So we're gonna try it again today. Also, my Brita filter is on back order, so I've been having these water bottles, which I absolutely hate doing, so don't kill me. But I'm really good for the most part about not using plastic. But anyways, hopefully this is enough water for like 15 drops, I think. Let's try it. I'm like actually super scared because I don't want to gag. I gagged yesterday, so here we go. I also got this on Amazon. I'll link it down below for you guys. Here we go. So let's do 15 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Later.
16 for good luck. Okay, it's in. Now we're gonna shake it up. I got it on my finger and it's like super messy. So be careful, don't stain anything. But basically it's like an all natural like energy thing, and then it also like makes you smell good from the inside out. Like it's like a natural deodorant and it detoxifies your body. So that's a lot of water with liquid chlorophyll. It tastes like dirt, by the way. Like it literally tastes like I'm in touch with the earth. But I have to hurry up because it's 6:53 and I have class in 7 minutes. Here we go, I'm gonna plug my nose. I'm scared. But once I get it done, I'll be good. That's it. I don't have to worry about it. Y'all see me almost gag? My face is red. My teeth are green. Is it worth it? I don't know if it's worth that if I'm moving. Like I want to make it worth it. So yeah, my teeth are literally stained now for probably the next 30 minutes. I have this much left, but I can't finish it. Okay, well y'all just witnessed me almost gagging. That's embarrassing, but we're besties here, so it's okay. Okay, let's get ready for class and then we'll have like coffee and breakfast after my first class. Okay, do y'all see this weather? Look how bad it is. Did y'all see that lightning? Oh my gosh. Look, it's pouring. It's literally pouring. It's my mom's car and there's my car. But yeah, it's like pouring out here. Oh, it's a rainy day, but typically people say rainy days are not good days, but we are not gonna let the weather decide how our day is. Even though I just had lightning, we're gonna make today an amazing day and get all of our stuff done because we have the power to do that. Okay, I always spray myself before my first class with perfume. I don't know what I'm kind of feeling this morning. It's so early. Like I said, it's like literally still 6:57. So feeling something light and simple. So let's go with Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. I picked this up at the Sephora sale from like last week's haul. Okay, we need my computer, my prob and stats binder, and that should be it for now. I always do my first class just sitting on my bed just because it's so early. I don't want to go downstairs and wake up my parents or anything. But typically I'll do like my second class either up here or I'll go downstairs and like have a little change of scenery. I also always print my to-do list for the next day. I have a calendar, of course, but like to-do list type thing. I don't like schedule that, so I like to just put on a little piece of paper and print it and just remember to take all my supplements and then film and all that fun stuff. Okay, besties, I'm in my class. Here we are. We're gonna get this done. Pretty sure I said this, but this is Prob and Stats class. This storm really wants to say hi today. It's so loud.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, it's now 8:05. I ended class like 10 minutes ago and I've been on my phone, which is not a good habit. So let's go get coffee at Starbucks because I have class in like 55 minutes. Yes, I have class at 9. So let's go get Starbucks and make some breakfast when we get back. Hopefully I can make it on time. We can only pray because I'm like super nauseous. My stomach is super hungry and I need coffee, so let's go. The disappointment I'm feeling right now is absolutely crazy. Put slippers on, got my purse, and then I checked the Starbucks app because I had a feeling. Trust your gut, ladies. And my drink is sold out. And right now it's the only thing I really like from Starbucks. So I'm gonna make coffee here. I don't want to. I really want a Starbucks. Ugh. We're just gonna make some Nespresso here. Let's go do it downstairs. All right, it's 9 o'clock, so my second class is macroeconomics, which is like my favorite class total that I'm taking in all of mine. Absolutely love this class, and I love microeconomics as well. So I'm gonna do this class and then figure out what's next, but I'll show you guys how I take my notes. So I take all my notes on a Google Doc and then I condense it for my like study guide. Oh my gosh, y'all hear that thunder? It's so loud. So yeah, I just have screenshots and stuff like that from like PowerPoints and then my own notes as well. But I'm really enjoying this class. This is the chapter we're on, which is the fiscal policy, deficits, and debt. New chapter that we just started on the other day is about like money and like banking and stuff like that. So my professor just said that our exam is going to be Wednesday of next week instead of Monday of next week, which is a blessing. That's more days to study, which makes me so excited. I'm literally in the middle of class though right now, but I love when they get postponed. It makes me so happy because I get more time to study and soak up the material. So I'm really happy about that. This rain's crazy. Look at my eyes, how red they are. They get so red throughout the morning. I don't know why. Okay guys, so I just finished macroeconomics. We learned about the components of money and money supply and the Federal Reserve and the reserve ratio and the monetary multiplier, all that fun, crazy economic stuff. I cannot get over how loud this thunder is. That is my morning though. It's currently 9:51, so I'm gonna end my morning here. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a gist of what I have going on for the rest of the day so you guys get like an idea, but basically my morning is done. Did all my skincare, I got dressed, brushed my hair, looked somewhat put together. I did my first 2 classes, and that's what I consider my morning routine, just something super easy. I like to keep it simple in the mornings and get ready in the afternoons if I end up needing to put makeup on or anything like that. So yeah, I did my devotional, I did my 2 classes, I have 2 more left. I was gonna go to the gym today, but it is storming so bad. Perfect timing. And it's just, I'm not gonna drive out in this weather, and I can just do something here, like a Chloe Ting workout. So I'm gonna do that here. I have a meeting with my assistant around 3-ish. She helps me plan content, and she's literally just the best. So I would give her name out, but I don't want to just for privacy reasons. But I have a meeting with her via like FaceTime because she lives in a different state. Around 3, I'm gonna put my laundry away. I'm gonna study for macro, and then I'm going to film a jean collection, which is probably already up. Oh my gosh. Or maybe it's gonna be up, I don't really know, but just stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna make some TikToks, but I'm only gonna film my YouTube videos when the weather stops yelling at me. I'm shaking, like my bed's shaking. Anyways, I love you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed my morning routine. If you guys want another one that's more aesthetic, a little bit nicer, let me know. But this is just like a daily morning routine that I do for classes and stuff. But I love you guys so much. Everything that I talked about is linked down below. And I'll see you guys in my very next video. Mwah. Bye guys.